The car, that truck behind me, he blew his horn and was flashing his lights. I saw that guy slowing down. He's like, I looked again. I said, "Yeah, I got the green. I do have the green." Ooh, you gonna pull in front of that highway patrolman there, buddy? You better rethink that. You might want to rethink that. Oh, damn. I hit that bird. I saw, did you see him? So that guy decided to go straight. Now he turns right with no signal. And sure enough, there it goes. Now what's this guy doing?
Yeah, changes point.
Now turn left onto Warren Road.
Did he just turn left on red?
Ridiculously, usually stupid, dumb, imbecilic, leave a question which I'll let the
Oh, nice red light runner there, buddy. Good truck. Good truck there. Well, you go run that red light there, Ford. Go, baby. Run that red light. Good job. Oh, good stop there, buddy. Oh, yeah. Motorcyclist doing a wheelie down the street. Cody, turn down, Cody.
Turn down, Cody.
Oh, what the hell's that guy coming up the wrong way? Woo, baby! Okay, buddy. Okay. They don't have... Look at that guy doing a wheelie. They don't have license plates on the back of the motorcycle. They're illegal as hell. If the police see him doing that, they're going to get pulled. Look at this guy doing a wheelie. He's doing another wheelie right behind that white car. These guys are riding terrible. They're terrible motorcyclists. Setting a very bad example.
Wake up to the sound of thunder, like it was in my ear. Are you gonna wait forever? I can see the stars reflecting. The empty tires made of steel. Everything but you is fading. I see your light. Take me away from me, beyond the stratosphere. I'm burning up. You got me falling free into eternity. When you tear up my horizon.